Hello everyone, welcome to another unbagging video for the Playmobil Series 17 blind bag figures. Today is July 4th, 2021. Happy Independence Day. It's a great day to be an American. So, let's get started. I got 4 of these today, and I have an idea of, I think, of who all 4 of these are. I am expecting, and in no particular order, I'm expecting this cowboy slash hitchhiker, this cowboy here, the gold digger, which one? The gamer. I already have a gamer, but I wanted another one. I have one of these guys as well. And I think the police officer. In fact, I'm pretty sure it's the police officer. So let's go ahead and unbag this one and see what we got. Yep, so I got the guy panning for gold. I don't really need another one. I just want to use his torso. Well, I just need his body parts. That sounds weird, doesn't it? Okay, and here he is. I actually like this figure quite a bit. Not sure why. I don't know. I guess I got a thing for the Wild West cowboys. And I like the fact that he has this gold nugget. Well, I guess it's bigger than a nugget. Did I actually just see it shining on his face? Or there's possibly a little bit of wind and the sun is shining through the trees. But if you look at this pan, you can see the gold dust right there. So yeah, pretty neat. Let's move on to the second one right now. Nice. So I got my, there's something in here still. What in the world? Oh, is it just that? Yep. I got my second prediction right. It's the other cowboy looking dude. The hitchhiker, the traveler. What is this? Well, I don't know. Let me go ahead and put this together and find out. Okay, so here he is put together. I still don't really know what this is for. I mean, it's not a ruler. I don't know. And then the little pamphlet or whatever, he has him holding the stick, but I don't know what that's for. Use it to hitchhike? Use it as protection? I don't know. I don't know what's going on with this. If you know, comment below. Alright. I guessed this one right too. This is the gamer. No extra parts here. Oh, yeah, we did. The torso clip. That's what I call them. I got a lot of these, but it's always good to have. Let's put this guy together. Alright, perfect. Here we are with the gamer fully assembled. Comes with a slice of pizza and a video game controller, as well as his headset. I'm going to use this one for spare parts to create other characters, mainly because I like the style of his jeans and the glasses. I really appreciate the hair being a different style as well. I don't really care for the hole on the top of the head, but it's the only way, or probably the best way, to secure the headphones on his head. I mean, it'll work. Yep, there's the police. Cool. You know what, I'm not typically excited about the police. I think they're very generic. Once you've seen one, you've seen them all, kind of. No disrespect to our boys in blue, but it's easy to stock up on these. and that's what I don't want. But I actually like this one. I think this is more realistic representation of him, and I think he better represents the kind of police uniform you would see in real life. But I like this one in particular because the hairstyle. It's not a new one, but the color sure is, and I like it on this particular figure. I think it looks good. That's really all I gotta say about it. It's always good to have some police, since I collect mostly city life figures. I don't think I'm trying to collect any more of the Civil War figures. I have about 100 of them already. So it's good to have some law enforcement there to keep the other clickies at bay. But let's check all 4 of them out together. Okay, well, here they are. We have the police officer, the hitchhiker, the gold miner, and the gamer. Out of this collection, I successfully predicted who they were by groping them. Hope you guys don't mind me doing this unbagging video outside. I've been outside working on my deck, and wifey came home with a few blind bags, and I thought I'd, while I was out here enjoying the weather on this 4th of July weekend, I'd do this video. But yeah, this is Series 17. Available currently at your dollar stores. Go ahead and get them. Also, the Playmobil movie figures are out there too. But hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time. Happy 4th of July. Bye-bye.